Hey guys, Dr. Kurt here, and what I want to talk about today is decision fatigue. One of the big things I see on intake paperwork, especially if someone's autoimmunity, brain fog, depression, anxiety, some sort of inflammatory thing, is that they always report that they have trouble making decisions. And from a nervous system standpoint, the more you can calm things down, the less you can take the effort out of making a decision, the better you can heal up. And so what I want to go through today is just a way to ease decision making, relieve some stress, give you some more effectiveness. And so we're going to use this with probably one of the most important decisions that you have to make. And it's not an either or decision, it's one where there's multiple choices. And so in real life, this could be going through the grocery store and you're like, I don't know what to choose. It could be looking at your closet each morning like, I don't know what to wear. It could be looking through workouts like, I don't know what to do. But I don't know if there's anything more pertinent to this hack of how to make a decision than choosing the perfect karaoke song. So imagine you're going into a party, and if you've never done karaoke, then that might be one of the root causes of your health issues. You just haven't gotten out of your comfort zone enough. But if you're going into a party with karaoke, and you're forced to do a song, there's so many you love, regardless if you sing it in the shower or in your car, it's hard to choose. So I picked 8 great ones that I think would kill it in a karaoke contest. The problem is, which one do you choose? And so I played this game, when I especially have multiple choice things, of just ranking them. So what we're gonna look at is, number 1 on this list is Bust a Move by Young MC. We've got Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen, Wanted Dead or Alive, Bon Jovi. We got some Vanilla Ice. We got the Humpty Dance, Jump Around, House of Pain, I Remember You, Skid Row, Sebastian Bach, and To Be With You from none other than Mr. Big. So how do we choose what the best is? And again, this could be any list, but choosing the right karaoke songs, it's a vital aspect of life that you should be teaching your kids how to do. And so how to choose one out of these 8 choices is really easy. You go the first one. So we're going to take the first song, Bust a Move by Young MC. And we're just going to do either or. So instead of looking at it as a whole list of 8 things, we're going to look at it as an individual either or choice. So would you rather do Bust a Move or Bohemian Rhapsody? Now, a huge Bohemian Rhapsody song fan, but I don't have the pipes of Freddie Mercury. So I'm going to put a check next to Bust a Move. Now, go 1 versus 3. Do I want Bust a Move or do I want some Bon Jovi? You know what? I'm still picking this one. Bust a Move versus Vanilla Ice. No brainer there. Young MC's the man. Now, Bust a Move versus Humpty Dance. That's a trickier one. So let's just, for changing it up a little bit, let's say I select the Humpty Dance. Now, Bust a Move versus Jump Around. Party favorite, Jump Around. Bust a Move versus I Remember You. Again, I don't have the pipes as Sebastian Bach does. So Young MC gets my vote. And then To Be With You, Mr. Big. I'm still going with this one. So just after 1 round, we can see a clear favorite here. Now you do the next thing, but now you eliminate the top one. So now we would go Bohemian Rhapsody versus Dead or Alive. I think I'm choosing Dead or Alive on that one. Bohemian Rhapsody versus Ice Ice Baby. And you keep going, 2 verse 5, 2 verse 6, 2 verse 7, 2 verse 8. And then come up, 3 verse 4, 3 verse 5, 3 verse 6, so on. And then 4 verse 5 down the list. Then 5 verse 6 down the list. 6 verse 7, verse 8. 7 verse 8. And then at the end, you see what has the most tallies, and that's your decision. Now, this is a pretty exhaustive list. You might only have 3 or 4 choices, and especially with a 3-choice type of thing, that's great, because there's research done where if you have 3 choices, you actually often choose the one that you least like. So play this A versus B versus C game in whatever life decisions, if you just have that difficulty making decisions in regards to your chronic health issue. And if you have other questions, feel free to reach me out. If you want to invite me for some karaoke, you probably know which one I'm going to choose. So I'll talk to you later.